So just finished up setting our elevator today, got that all in the concrete. I want to show you guys what we're working on the crush pad. We really only have one major thing left to do. That's a big hoist on an I-beam. It'll go across right here. But basically the way this crush pad works is the trucks will come in from over back behind where you're at, come around the building, go over to the other side, get a weigh of what their weight is with the grapes, come back around, and they'll pull right up in here. As they pull up along here, they've got their bins. That hoist will dump those bins into here. If you come over here and look in, this is a receiving hopper. It has a big auger, screw auger. It'll move the fruit down this way, come across here, and right in here above the pit, we've got a slotted chute right in there that's slotted, so it actually lets all the fruit go down in there, or the juice go down in there. It collects all the juice and we can pump it away. And so that fruit will come out the other end dejuiced right through here. And then it'll go up the conveyor belt, up the top, all the way up to the top of the elevator. And then at the top of the elevator, we'll usually have, we have a big rare earth magnet that fruit will free fall across, pull all that ferrous or iron containing steel MOG material other than grapes, pull that all out, and it'll either go down into our, typically it will go down into either our, what we call a hopper that we can pump it into the winery with, or if it's hand harvested fruit or if it needs an extra level of cleaning, we'll send it through a different machine that fits right up underneath there. And then it's off to the winery for fermentation. So we'll catch you next time, show you what we're working on as well. Hopefully next is the hoist.